Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, folks. Stellar XLM, trusted by the global giants. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And, folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. Anyways, folks, let's see why the global giants trust Stellar. This is Tokenizer, always covering utility projects. Look at this. MasterCard needs no introduction. They're a globally leading payments firm, and many of us likely use their solutions every day. Obviously, folks, those that are acquainted with the world of finance know what MasterCard is. Those that deal with payments obviously know what MasterCard is and how big of a deal it is. Look at this. They've begun to get involved in enterprise DLT, and the ones selected are exactly as we'd imagine. So they are now involved in the world of DLT, distributed ledger technology, blockchain, and our favorite projects are part of it. Look at this. XLM, Crypto Credential Service Integration. Look at this. Each of these cases are a testimony to the leadership that MasterCard presents to the world of payments. In 2024, MasterCard processed 9.75 almost 9.757 trillion dollars in total transaction volume globally. Whenever we talk about these projects, people take it lightly, like how is it possible, how will they achieve such a huge amount of value, such a huge value, and they talk about the market cap. Obviously, to be honest, I am grounded in this regards because we haven't seen utility yet, folks. So being skeptical and doubting stuff is natural. Obviously, I get it, but folks, imagine the possibilities and the amount that is being disrupted by these projects, be it XLM, XDC, QNT, folks. They can be huge, to be honest. Obviously, we haven't seen it. We do not have any historical evidence like this throughout the course of history, financial history or otherwise. This is why we cannot say whether they'll be a success or not. Time will tell, but regardless of that, the potential is indeed there. So look at this. This alone should showcase just how much of a powerhouse they are in the world, in our world of legacy payments. And they're not looking to just go away and fade into the winds as we migrate to digital assets and DLT based payments. In fact, they are arguably one of the few truly leading the way and trailblazing this path in the world of corporates. So much that they're doing, folks. So many sectors, so many segments that Stellar wants to disrupt, and DLT-based payments will is real, and it will provide real-world solutions in the upcoming years as well. Because a lot of these institutions are exploring it. They want to optimize the outdated systems. Businesses want much more profit, and we want faster transactions throughout the globe, from CBDCs to the future of verifiable on-chain payments to interoperability of financial systems. Everything and anything is a part of what Stellar is doing. This is the all of the if we dissect them, folks, CBDCs, they are real. Central banks are testing their digital currencies. They are exploring how they can utilize it in the everyday lives. And verifiable on-chain payments is something that has to be there for fraud mitigation, and it is good for traceability, because oftentimes if we send our money to someone, you do not know how much fund is being utilized where. So you can get a better record keeping by the blockchain and DLT based solutions and the interoperability of financial systems, folks. Stellar wants to become that intermediary, the bridge between the legacy systems, the TradeFi and blockchain world, folks. Mastercard's got it all planned out with the leading fintech public DLT ecosystems connected across the board. Look at this. Just a moment, folks. Let me bookmark this and like this one as well, because we might cover this one in other videos as well regarding QNT XDC network. This might come in hand. Anyways, in this video we are concerned with Stellar, folks, so let's check it out. Crypto credential services. Mastercard has integrated Stellar for their crypto credential network and has discussed future plans in bringing Mastercard services onto the Stellar network. Awesome. Look at this. This is a bit of technical over here. Once this XLM breakout takes place, no target is unrealistic. Obviously, it has bounced from this support line well. Let's just hope that it breaks through this middle line over here, and if it goes up, I think that it has a shot to break through this resistance as well, folks. Because the market has been depressing and gloomy for a while, I think it is about time that we go and get some good gains. Anyways, anything can happen, not financial advice, obviously. Look at this. This is X Finance Bull over here, always covering XLM. I've seen good posts from him. XLM isn't a future play. In fact, it is already trusted by global giants. Folks, how is that? Now look at this. Finance Bull is explaining. Visa, MasterCard, Stripe, IMF, the International Monetary Fund, folks. This is no joke. The European Commission, and look at this, World Bank as well. This isn't speculation like any of the meme coin or a pump and dump that, yeah, they go up with hype or speculation. This is a legit project that wants to provide real world utility, real world solutions, folks. So, this is why the global giants are interested in it. They are trusting it, be it IMF, World Bank, others. It is real world adoption at the highest level. Stellar isn't chasing hype, it is building the next generation financial infrastructure. Look at this, folks. Indeed, it has the potential to be huge. This is huge, in my opinion. Because we haven't, like I told you guys, we haven't seen anything like these projects out there. If you remember internet when it first came, people thought, yeah, it is just another it won't be as big as it is now. And then, as you know, that these streaming platforms, when they came first, Amazon when they came first, people didn't realize how big they were going to be in the future. Stellar is also a part of that revolution and evolution. I might rephrase myself, because it is not trying to revolutionize the traditional systems. It wants to evolve, or it wants to integrate in it and make it better. The pipes of the new economy are already laid. Repost if you are still holding strong on XLM. Look at this. Trusted by global leaders, partnering with top financial and regulatory institutions worldwide. Look at the names over here, folks. Wonderheight. Okay. X Finance Bull, shout out. Approved, huh? Hyperledger, Wisdom Tree, MasterCard, the World Bank, Visa, Stripe, Franklin Templeton Investments. It is ISO 22 compliant as well, the ISO standard, MoneyGram, European Commission. So many different names, folks. This is huge. So many banks, Alchemy Pay. This is huge. I think this is the United Nations. And by the way, folks, this is one of the most underrated partnerships out there, and in my opinion, one of the most important ones. Why is that? Because Stellar has been associated with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNHCR. It is working on refugees worldwide. It has been associated with UNICEF, working for the children. Even I think I read UNDP somewhere, the United Nations Development Program. So this is huge. And look at this, International Monetary Fund as well. This is huge. This is huge. It cannot get any bigger than this, I might say. This is why the next financial infrastructure is being built, folks, by Stellar and the likes. Jesse Olson over here, pending buy signal on XLM daily chart. Look at this. This is latest as well. If it breaks through these levels, this trend line over here, it can go to these levels. Look at this, 30 cents and then almost 38 cents, 43 cents, and ultimately for the short term period, 50 cents as well, short to medium term range, 50 cents. But obviously in the long haul it can go way beyond, folks. It can go way higher than these levels. Why is that? Because we already discussed that Stellar is building the future of finance, folks. Look at this, 99% of traders are losing money on junk tokens. This is purely Stellar wallet, by the way. XLM for those who understand. 3 forecast for 2025. XLM price will exceed $1, 10x from current values. Stellar will become the standard for interbank transfers. You will regret not accumulating a position in 2024. This is great. How to make money on this? Buy now and forget for 12 months. Not even 12 month, folks, but those that it is okay. Everyone has got their own perspectives and I respect it. But I think that for these projects, I think that a long-term hodl accumulation, that sort of a strategy is also good. Like looking at the bigger picture, because these things tend to move really, really slowly, and all of a sudden they get that impulsive move toward the upsides. If you remember, folks, before this move, before XLM, XRP, they moved, people were making fun of them, calling them the dino coins, and then when the entire market was bleeding, the coins outperformed everyone, folks. So this is how fast they move. Anyways, short-term profit taking is also good. I appreciate that as well. Buy more on corrections. This is your chance. I agree. Wait for summer 2025 and take profit. We do not know where it's going to be, but yeah, anyways. The main mistake 99% of investors make, they wait until the price has already grown 5 to 10 times to start buying. History likes to repeat itself. In 2017, everyone laughed at Ethereum. In 2020, everyone laughed at Solana. In 2025, they will laugh at those who ignored XLM. Okay. Who ignored XLM or who uh, okay, I mean, I think he means that those that ignore XLM are going to be laughed at, I guess. Anyways, let me share with you this graphic over here, guys. I mean, this was awesome. This is such a clean looking video over here. I really liked it. And for this, I'm going to be for the post as well. I might like this, and I should be bookmarking this as well. A really cool looking video over here. Awesome. Some technicals again. This is awesome. Goku, our man. Different paths, different metrics of success. The question isn't which is winning, but which infrastructure layer will connect TradeFi to DeFi long term. Awesome. This is Edo Farina. Repost only if you are still holding XRP, XLM, and XDC. The X factor never fails. All of these projects have huge potential, folks. XLM and XDC, as they are really underrated in comparison to XRP as well. So all of them have great potential, to be honest. So yeah, Edo Farina. As you all know, XRP, he really loves XRP more than others, but there are others who are saying that XLM has the potential to even outgrow XRP in the very long run. We never know. Let's see how it goes. Okay, look at this. This is Goku. Regulatory revelation. Oregon AG just listed 31 cryptos, including XRP, as securities in major lawsuit against Coinbase. But Stellar XLM is nowhere on the list. So this is why I was saying, folks, and this post over here complements my opinion that it has the potential to grow to heights we haven't even imagined, folks, because it is truly underrated in comparison to a lot of different utility projects out there. Now it makes perfect sense why. Circle's payment network, backed by four global banks, Salesforce's enterprise wallet integration, DTCC's $2 trillion settlement platform are all building on Stellar. Institutions don't touch securities. The financial infrastructure of tomorrow requires regulatory clarity today. And obviously, I think that Stellar has avoided controversy, and it has been building silently and really well behind the scenes throughout, folks. I really like what they have been doing, that's for sure. So, folks, what do you guys think about Stellar? Do you think that it indeed is building the next generation financial infrastructure? I would really like your opinions. Do you think that it is indeed trusted by global giants? Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also go and check out Decent's discounts. So until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.